Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Going to show you a 1968 Chevrolet El Camino this afternoon. Now, this car has a mild-built small block under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. It has bare brakes all the way around, disc brakes on all four corners, with drilled and slotted rotors. And they're not small, tiny brakes either. Got bigger brakes in the front, but look at the size of the bare brakes on this car. Like I say, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Brand new set of American Racing wheels and tires. What are them, 18s? 18s on the, it's got two 75/40 18s on the back, and it has two 45 17s on the front, so 17s and 18s staggered. The chrome on this car is very nice. Chrome bumpers look good. Stainless is nice. You know, a couple little, that's a bug there. A little bit of pitting here if you really want to get real picky on this car. Wheel well trim's in great shape. Trim down the bottom's in great shape. You can open the door. This car came out of Arizona, spent almost all of its life in Arizona, so it's super, super clean. Got a couple little chips here on the leading edge of that rocker panel. The underneath this thing is unbelievable. Paint on the top is very nice. Little couple small little chips right here. Tilt steering column, bucket seats, factory style center console, 4 on the floor. Look at this thing. Power windows, power wing windows, power door locks. Tripod of gauges down below there. Now, I got this from a good friend of mine. Wipers work. Horn does not work. Dome light, dash lights. This switch here is for an electric fan. Glove box, nice console, nice headliner. Oh. Aren't those super cool? Power. It has power door locks. They are not working. Sounds great. Again, rear bumper chrome, very nice. License plate light works. Check out your door gaps, fender gaps, hood gaps. I believe this thing has all original body panels on it. Someone's gonna get one really, really nice, clean car, good looking car for not a lot of money. I think I'm gonna price this car like at $36,900. And like I say, somebody's really going to get a great car. Serpentine belt system, long tube headers, air steering brakes, aluminum radiator, electric fans. factory hood insulations up there, factory hood light. Just one really nice, clean car. Kick panel speakers. Seats are in great shape, very comfortable. Spare tire back there. There'll be pictures of the undercarriage on this car too. Front and rear sway bars, Hodgkin suspension on the front, tubular upper control arms. Got the heavy duty tie rod ends on it. It's got one little scratch right here that somebody touched up. You know, all this chrome trim looks nice. The glass is in really good shape on this car. Inside the bed's got a rubber bed mat in it. I really think this will probably be one of the next cars sold as soon as I get it listed. You know, to try to find something that looks this good, runs this good, has all these upgrades on it for that price. Kind of a little bit unheard of, probably. Fuel gauge in the dash works as well. Wait for a couple cars here to pass. Pressure's real good on the car. It drives really nice. Lady told me he had the car aligned. It goes down the road nice, steers tight. It's just a great vehicle. Somebody's really, really going to enjoy this car. Down the highway 55. It's pretty windy out today. That's kind of been the story here the last week or two. Just wind. It always seems to be an issue. We had that derecho, which is what they call a land hurricane, come through here in 2020, and it wiped out so many trees that were good wind breakers for 150, 200 miles straight to the west of here, basically all across the center of Iowa. It just wiped it out, so it's a little more difficult to find a wind block around here. We're gonna head her on back the other way.